20 shares of Amgen seeing its worst day in over 3 years after a report on the potential side effects of its weight loss drug, Maritide. Cantor uncovering data apparently hidden in the appendix of Maritide's phase 1 trial results. According to analysts, the data show a 4% decrease in bone mineral density over 12 weeks for trial patients on the largest dose. For more, let's bring in the analyst who wrote that note, Olivia Brayer. Olivia, great to have you with us.
Thanks for having me.
I'm curious how this happens. You get a spreadsheet and you hit a tab and you find it. I mean, nobody else is looking at this.
You know, it's funny. This data has been out there since February, and the data has been combed over so many times. But, you know, we have a really great team, and we look at things really closely. And it was a little bit of a fluke, frankly. I mean, to basically right click on an Excel spreadsheet and you hit unhide, and a few more sheets pop up. And it's something that nobody had been talking about. I don't think anyone had seen it. Frankly, I think Amgen's probably surprised that someone found it and uncovered it. I don't know if they knew it was there. But funny enough, it's all in the public domain. And so anyone, you don't even need a login to, this is the phase 1 Nature article. I mean, you can look at it, you can unclick it, and it all pops up. So it was a bit of a fluke that we found it, but definitely some important data. And obviously, it's getting a lot of attention.
How does this impact your forecast for Maritide?
Yeah, I mean, look, the thing is, we don't know how big of a risk this is. They are having this was from a phase 1 data set, very small patient numbers. And they do have phase 2 data that are coming by the end of the year. It's in a lot more patients. It's a lot longer follow-up. So it's a 52-week study, whereas the phase 1 was only a 12-week study. So there are still a lot of unknowns. But this does add a risk. I mean, I will say this was a known theoretical risk around bone marrow density before today. But now we actually have some data on it. Like I said, it's small patient numbers, so it's hard to know really how much weight to put on these data. We don't know if it'll plateau. We don't know if it'll keep decreasing over time in a long study. You know, Amgen's also working on different titration schedules for their dosing. So they may change their dosing. They may get it right, and we may see less tolerability, less bone mineral density issues. But right now, I think the read here is that it was a theoretical risk. And now that there is some data behind it, it just adds a little bit more validity to that risk.
Is it possible that the bone mineral density loss was just coincident? Or does it actually, you mentioned it's in the highest dosages. Is there a less of a degree in the lower dosages, which makes you to believe that it is causal?
Yeah, there is. It seems to be dose dependent. And a lot of that, again, has to do with the fact that in the higher dose, you are seeing a much steeper decline. And a bigger magnitude of decline, too. So that to us signals that it probably is dose dependent, that it probably is mechanistically related. But again, I mean, unfortunately, there are a lot of unknowns. I think we'll get a better picture of this drug in totality once we have the phase 2 data in hand. That'll be by the end of the year. I'm sure Amgen hopefully will address some of these comments around bone mineral density. But there are still just a lot of unknowns at this point.
The 7% decline in shares, what's your take on that?
Yeah, I mean, look, I understand it. You know, our kind of base case valuation, if you strip out obesity, is you get to somewhere around 250 on the stock. Obviously, it's trading closer to 300, so there is still a decent amount of obesity value in the stock, as there should be. I mean, we've been very positive on Amgen. We've been very positive on the probability of success for their phase 2 data. So I would say today's data doesn't change our view, but it does add more risk. And you know, I think at this point, you do have to have a very competitive profile, and you do have to be able to overcome some of these hurdles if you are going to be a later entrant in this obesity space. Because again, there are other players in obesity, so the bar has been set.
Right. Olivia, thanks so much for joining us. Appreciate it. Olivia Brayer of Cantor. Just right click on all your tabs. You never know what you're going to find.